YouTube babies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I need you to do me a favor. Yes, I said it a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And that's on period. Today's video is sponsored by DYHAIR777. They sent me their Brazilian deep wave medium 20 inches. Do not come for me in my wig cap. I know it's a whole different color from me. It is like 4 in the morning. And I decided to film this because I need my hair done, but it's like because I'm going somewhere in the morning. But it's like I didn't have to, like, I'm not gonna have time to go to the store and get a new foundation. So we just gonna have to work with this. This is what we're working with. Don't mind the curls, it might look a little dead because I just washed it and let it air dry. I'm gonna moisturize these curls once it's on my head. Today we're going with a side part. Like, it's not like a deep side part, but it's like a deep side part, if y'all know what I'm trying to say. So everything is bleached, plucked. The lace is already pre-cut because, you know, I've installed this before. So yeah. So we're just gonna take our lace sprint, our lace tint, and we're gonna make this whole work. I got some new products that I want to try in this video. I'm a dummy. I didn't even plug the hot comb in. Oh my god. I got a new hot comb. This is for my hair business, but I just want to try to make sure we're good. If not, then I guess we gotta buy a new one. And then I also got a mini flat iron. I also got a mini flat iron, like how y'all see girls be using when they do their edges. Cause I want to try it. So yeah, y'all. We're gonna be testing some new items today. I know y'all probably wondering, why do I always record at night? Let me tell y'all, I have a full household of like 8 of us. And my little brother, he's a game freak and he screams on that game all day. So I record whenever he sleeps, and he's asleep right now. So that's my opportunity. How do you turn? Okay, it's on. Oh, this is fancy. I don't like how you gotta click a lot of buttons though. I think the highest setting is 450. Yeah, it's 450. So ready, get hot, goddamn. But yeah, that's up. Okay, the hot comb is hot as hell. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna go in with our wax stick like we always do. So while that's done, I'm just gonna put the lace glue on my head. You already know the regular, we always using Boto. So let's talk, y'all. Like, I am so scared and stressed because, as a lot of y'all know, I am gonna start doing lace frontal installs, and I'm just so scared. Like, I'm not even scared that I'm not gonna have everything I need to start. Like, I know I am. It's just I'm scared of, oh my god. Well, that was a waste of wig glue. I think that I'm gonna waste all this money and not have any clients. Cause me, I'm getting like good products, so I'm gonna spend what I need to spend on these products. And I'm just like, okay, getting everything I need. And then what if when the time comes, it's my day to start booking, and nobody booked me? Like, I don't expect to get booking, like mad bookings, like as soon as I start. Obviously I know it's not gonna happen because I'm just starting, so you know, I have to get my name out there first. But it's just like, I don't want it to take too long to the point where I start doubting myself and I just give up, because I don't want to do that now. So I hope I don't get to that point. And then I'm also scared because I'm going to high school this year, y'all. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I'm scared about high school for some reason. It's like, I'm just scared for new beginnings, basically. Like, I don't know how it's gonna go, what's gonna happen, how the school is. I mean, I heard some things about the school. But besides the point, y'all, I have so much videos coming for y'all. And it's like, y'all not ready. So I ordered a piercing kit. yeah, so we're gonna be having some new piercings coming in. I don't want to do too many though, so I'm not gonna drag it on the piercings, but I want a good amount. I got some more hair videos. I have a lot of hair videos actually, and I wanted to do some like get ready with me. I wanted to do a vlog, but it's like I don't go nowhere. So if I do a vlog, I have to figure out where I'm gonna go. Cause I really be wanting to do vlogs, but all I do is stay in the house. And I wanted to start doing some other type of stuff, like some different genres. But I don't know. Yeah, she gave me some genre ideas I should start doing besides like lifestyle videos. Like I want to start something else that's interesting. All right, this is clear. We're gonna put it on now. I don't know. What type of genres can I start doing, to be honest? Cause I'm not really into that much stuff. So if I'm being honest with you, I really don't know. Like I'm really into just makeup, hair, and nails, but kind of said no on the nail stuff. Now that that's on, I look crazy. I look like Frank. No, is it Frankenstein? No, it's not. Who got electrocuted? It was somebody famous back in the day. He had got electrocuted. I don't know. Was it Frankenstein? I think it was. And his hair got, was it? I don't even know. Don't even ask me. But yeah, before I tie this, I'm gonna go in with some scissors and cut off the extra lace on the side, because it's a lot that does not fit my head. So all that is getting snip, snip, snipped. Take these, get this hair out the way real quick. And we're just gonna tie this down. All that lace y'all see lifting up is what is getting cut off. So while this is tying down, I'm gonna start putting the product on it because, yeah, I don't wanna wear it fluffy. So like I told you, we're doing a deep side part. Like this. Okay, so the hair is now wet. I know y'all saw that though, like, hold on. Like, it's really giving, this texture is everything. Look at that, it's just, like, do you see that? This is giving real human hair, come on now. I really like this hair. Soft and bouncy, come on now. And y'all, so the moment we've been waiting for to see how this thing actually works, cause I don't know how to curl with a current iron for nothing. Yeah, how do y'all curl with curling irons? Like, y'all be making it look so easy. Oh my god, this is hard. This is hard. Y'all look goofy. How do y'all do it? I'm over here embarrassing myself. I hope I'm doing it. Ow, yes. Period. Period. Womp. Womp. Period, y'all. I'm doing it. Hold on, I messed up right there. Period. And I'm just gonna go on with some got to be, and we're gonna do these baby hairs. I hope they come out cute though. Okay, so I don't want to do edges right here, so I'm just gonna put some more mousse on this. I'll put it back down. Okay, so one thing about this wig is it gets frizzy. Very, very, very frizzy. And I'm not liking that. That's the only problem I have with this hair. Other than that, it was going good. It was, believe me. And I don't like how plain it looks like this. I'm gonna try to find a headband I could put on, cause it's not giving plain. This is too plain. I don't know, but I need to figure out what I need to do to this hair to make it not look basic, you know? Cause this hair is giving real basic. It's giving real, it's giving real basic on me right now. And it's like I don't want to swoop it because I already did a swooped hairstyle, so it's like I don't want to do that. Yeah, this thing just keep getting frizzy. Y'all, I think I gotta swoop it. So we swooping it. We're gonna swoop that down because I'm not liking how it's looking plain. Does it need to be puffy or something? Like, do you need me to make you puffy, Miss Ma'am? Like, why are you being so hard to work with? Let's make this thing puffy. Why is this just not giving? It's not giving what it's supposed to be giving. I'm gonna try to tie a scarf on it. Let's see how it looks. Y'all know what I'm gonna try? I don't know yet. We're gonna try to put this up into a bun. But if y'all do ever put a wig in a bun, it's not a 3/6 wig, don't show the bag. Okay, so this is better. We're gonna wear it like this. We is. Yep. Just make sure y'all don't show the back of your hair. Because if y'all show the back, y'all gonna be done for. And I'm gonna wait for this to dry a little bit more, because probably it doesn't go because you know, that's a dry look and then this is dry. So sorry if I keep changing it. It's just I can't find a style to fit me. What is going on today? Alright, so I just give up. I'm just gonna let this dry. I'm gonna let the bang dry. When the bang is dry, we're gonna come back. And if I don't see a difference, I'm just gonna cry, you know? Okay. Be back. Okay, so this is the hairstyle I came to a conclusion on. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend to watch me. And that's on period.